From the challenge of an entitled woman comes serious trouble to woke.
Why am I required? I don't have rights. Where's my rights at then?
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me.
To woke, Karen trashed a McDonald's. Now she faces the consequences.
Hey.
All three of y'all big ass motherfuckers. That's a big ass. What y'all pulling me out the car like that for?
And lesbian attacks her ex during heated car argument.
She pushed me and I told her she hit me again. I'm gonna hit her back. That's exactly the same story I told her.
These intense encounters prove that one reckless moment can change everything. Watch as when dumb woke, Karen act like laws don't exist.
Supervisor?
I am.
And what's your name?
Sergeant McDonald.
On August 13th, 2024, a police officer stopped a woman for speeding 53 miles per hour in a 35 miles per hour zone.
Good morning. It's actually good speeding at 35. You were going 53 this morning.
It was three people in front of me now. I want to record this because this is outrageous.
Okay. You have your driver's license and insurance?
What am I don't understand why I was being pulled over. Can you show me the speed I was doing? Because
Yeah, you're going 53 and a 35.
Can you show me? I'm asking, can you show me?
It'll be on the camera for court.
I know. I want to see the camera now.
I can't do that.
Can I see your? Can I speak to your supervisor?
Sure. You have your driver's license and insurance?
I'm asking for a supervisor.
I'm asking for your license and insurance.
I'm asking for a supervisor.
Okay. In the meantime, I need your driver's license.
I'm asking for a supervisor. Can I see a supervisor, please? Sure.
When the supervisor arrived, she still refused to show ID, insisting on her rights.
What's up with this girl?
She's mad.
What, did you give her a ticket?
Well, I mean, you didn't give me one. She stopped her and said she was going 53 and a 35, and she refused to give me her ID. She started requesting a supervisor from the start. Delightful.
Okay.
And it's a rental
Yeah,
car.
I figured you did occasionally at times.
And it's a rental car.
Yeah. Just do what we do. You want to try again? Is the sergeant on his way?
He's on his way from the fifth floor.
Well, ma'am. Hey, ma'am, just hear me out for a second. In case you didn't know, we don't have to show you our stuff. Yeah, okay. You have rights too, but we don't have to show you that stuff, ma'am.
You don't have to show me, so I don't have to show proof ID.
No, it doesn't work that. It doesn't work that way, ma'am.
Where's your proof that I broke in?
It doesn't work that way, ma'am.
I want to know where's my proof. Where's the proof that I broke in?
She just told you that you did. Ma'am, we don't have to show you our radar equipment. No, we don't. No, we don't, ma'am.
If you have to, I want to verify. How you going to accuse me? It was, officer, listen, it was cars in front of me. How does she pick me out of all the people? Where's her proof? He asked me that, where's her proof? That's what I want.
The woman continued to question the police's authority and refused to comply.
Because we don't have to show you what our radar stuff reading is. No, we don't, ma'am. Maybe for court, but not right now. Y'all know we are too, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Still here, still waiting for your ID that you won't give me.
Yeah. You can make this process go a whole lot faster.
Go very poorly for you, dear.
Okay, I got time. So can I speak to your supervisor? Can you bring your supervisor out?
They're en route. Okay. Try to get all this resolved without a supervisor. Okay. All right. We'll be back.
Man, this could have gone completely different. That was on you. And there's no reason. You have refused to provide your ID.
And I didn't even do anything. You stated that
You say you didn't do anything.
You said that I was speeding.
I did say that, and you were.
You said I was speeding, correct?
Yes, 53 and a 35.
So I was doing 53, so everybody was doing 53.
And she's admitted to speeding now. It's impressive.
Right? Correct?
No.
So I was the only one. So was it cars in front of me?
No.
It wasn't cars.
There were cars in
front
there were cars in front of you not going 53.
Okay, so it wasn't cars in front. So how are you going to get me to the tow truck? Where's the supervisor at? How are you going to tow something when I ask for a supervisor?
I don't need a supervisor to tow your car, ma'am.
You don't need a supervisor
I do not.
to tow your car? How are you going to tow your car?
Give us a second.
You think TikTok videos for this?
You could go viral.
Yeah.
The police warned her repeatedly to comply, but when she refused, they had no choice but to take action.
Under arrest. You are under arrest for obstruction of official business and failing to provide your ID. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle, or I will break the window. Step out of the vehicle, or I will break the window. Ma'am, I'm telling you one more time. Step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to break the window. Okay.
Oh my God!
Please step out.
No, I didn't do anything wrong. Okay. I didn't even do anything wrong. Oh my God! This is crazy. Oh my God!
Put your hands together like a frame.
Wow! Are you serious? Oh yeah.
It's on the. It's on the.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, switch your legs for me.
Once in the car, she kept protesting her innocence and complaining nonstop.
No problem whatsoever.
That's what it's here for.
Why do I have a seat when there's all this stuff right there?
Scoot in around it. You're fine. Here. Hey, how's
I'm
it?
trying to sit down, ma'am.
How's it like this?
No use. Just hand it proper.
Thank you. She started calling family to show up too.
And are you leaving from there?
Got the window rolled down.
Are you the supervisor?
I am.
And what's your name?
Sergeant McDonald.
I have done nothing wrong. I have done absolutely nothing wrong, officer. I promise to God on my dad's grave. My dad is deceased. And she pulled me out over. I asked her, and it's all of my recording on my phone. I asked her, was there any, like, how did you pull me out of the lineup out of all these people that was driving on the vehicle? I asked her, was I the only one on the road? She said, yes. I was not. Officer, it was vehicles in front of me. How did you pick me out of all the people? That's what I don't understand. I was not speeding at all. I was going to the shop. Oh my God. I was going to the shop. I'm trying to look for a stolen car.
She continued to argue that she was not speeding and questioned the police's priorities.
They didn't even verify me speeding. I wasn't. That's the funny part.
That's what court's for.
But I did not. I was not even speeding. That's the crazy part.
And that's what court's for.
I was not
if
even
you
speeding.
weren't speeding and she can't prove it beyond a reasonable doubt, then you can't be convicted of speeding. But out here on the streets is not where we can argue those things.
This is crazy. Can you at least get my keys that's in the vehicle and put it with my belongings?
They got like your house keys on them?
Yes.
Yeah, let me grab them.
Could you at least look for that Jeep that I'm looking for to check these cameras?
I promise you, dear, if it's stolen and we have a list of vehicles we all actively look for.
Because I noticed when I called the detectives yesterday and spoke with the detectives, they were saying that it was like pinging off of Copley, like through the cameras.
Oh, yeah, probably, yeah. It's just about a matter of time till we find it.
What's your head?
You go to the
This one.
Ma'am, all this could have been avoided. It was a speeding ticket.
I wasn't even speeding, so
Created all of this.
I'll fight you in court. That's all.
Dude, I gotta go on television something now. I gotta get off lonely. This has not gone well this morning. Warrants, this. It was a speeding ticket. Fucking speeding ticket.
Take them on.
It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad.
What are all your charges?
I don't even know. I didn't even do anything. That's the crazy part. That's why I'm so confused. And I asked to speak to the supervisor and I was refused the information.
Well, the supervisor showed up.
I asked to speak to his supervisor and he wasn't even acting like a supervisor. And everybody was being so aggressive. I'm just so scared because it's like I didn't even do anything. I didn't even do anything. All I'm just doing was just going to the shop. And that's all I'm going to do. I work for it with my business. I'm looking for a stolen car. I was not even speeding. I'm not even like that. That was so crazy. And that's all I was asking was for to speak to a supervisor because I was not even speeding. I was trying to put the key back up that I had for the Jeep. That was it. And I was about to go back home. I was to take off that is and I was not expecting all this to happen. Then they bust the window out for what? Like, and then we just had the supervisor come out and just listen to me. What he was trying to be, listen to me. That's the sick part about it. Like, I didn't even do anything wrong. I'm so hurt right now because it's like, I'm not even a bad person. I'm not a
The woman was charged with obstruction after repeatedly refusing to cooperate with police orders. Despite multiple warnings, she continued to argue and resist, forcing officers to take further action. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. Ashamed of nothing, offended by everything, always the victim. Imagine that you are so entitled that you'd rather have your car towed, window broken, and be arrested rather than just taking a speeding ticket. She's just stupid. She says the cops were aggressive. Those are some of the most chill cops I've ever seen. But if you think this was the peak of drama, this next Karen takes chaos to a whole new level.
Hey,
Hey, y'all, mother.
On May 10th, 2024, an officer stopped a vehicle that ran multiple flashing red signals, sparking further investigation.
Get the windows rolled down for me, please. Howdy, y'all. My name's Detective Roland, Tallahassee Police Department. The reason I pulled you over today is you have to stop when a light is out at every light. I watched you blow through like 4 or 5 before I got behind you, okay? I'm not writing you a ticket today, but I can please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance. Do you have the driver's license number? Okay. What is your last name? Do you have any kind of photo ID on you? Okay. Is that your mom?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We're going to have to wait just 1 minute before I can talk to mom, okay? Give me 1 minute, okay? 7:43 me on 2.
You're welcome to get out. Just do me a favor, just stand behind our vehicle if you want to, okay?
Do you have David pulled up? Yes, sir. Can you pull it up so I can get her DL?
Do you have a first name?
Yeah, Tatyona.
Tatiana?
Yeah. There we go. 2 N's, I guess. 99 times 3.
One warrant was for April 11th, 2024, when the driver's friend trashed a McDonald's after being fired.
Do me a favor, I need you to step out of the car and talk to me back here because you don't have your license, okay? Just take a second.
What we need to talk about, sir?
All right, look, here's the deal. I want to do this in front of the kids. You've got warrants up for your arrest. You want to go into jail today.
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. All right? I'm going to comply, but don't touch me. All right, cool. That's cool.
We'll give you a chance, Tatiana. Come on.
All right. For real, don't touch me,
Hey,
bro.
no, you're good. At some point, we're going to have to because you're going to have to get handcuffed. But you got to come on out, okay?
Okay, they said she got a 1-4 arrest. And
Tatiana, step out of the car.
what she want to know what's the warrant for.
That's fine. We'll tell
I'll
her as soon
explain
as
to that in just a moment, but you got to get out of the car.
But you're not finna put me in no cup.
Tatiana,
But you do have to get out. I don't want to pull you out. I don't want to do any of that. But I need you to exit.
Okay, well, you
No, I don't want to do that.
You wait till her mama
Well, let my
comes?
daddy don't come up.
Oh, okay.
I have no problem explaining to that, but I do need y'all to step. I need you to step out.
Tatiana, you need to step out or you're going to catch another charge, okay?
But she's got to come out of the car first. We're not. I don't want to have this discussion. Yep, I do. I can absolutely do that, but you're going to be detained first.
She refused to get out of the car, so the police had to drag her out of the car.
Come on
Bro, don't touch, bro. Come on, chill out, bro.
You need to come out.
All right, I'm coming.
Just guys, give it a second.
We're fine.
Hey,
Come out.
Bro, come on. I'm not doing nothing, bro. Come on.
let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
They got out the car.
Y'all got me so
Put your hands up.
I gave you the opportunity. You didn't want to come out.
Y'all got me so right now. On my grandma, y'all got me so right now because
I told you I did not want to do that in front of the kids. Okay. All right. Go ahead and roll towards me.
all 3 of y'all big ass
10, 15.
motherfuckers. Y'all some big ass. Cause what
10,
y'all
15.
pulling me out the car like that for?
All right, go ahead and stand
Nigga,
up.
y'all big as. It only took one.
Come on over here.
Let me put my
Just
damn
that
shoes.
one,
Let
10,
me put my shoes on. Damn it.
Come back to the back of this car. Come on now. I didn't want to do that in front of all the kids.
Okay, with your big ass. They only took one. Well, why took three?
We gave the opportunity to step out and you didn't want to come out.
And you ain't want to talk either. You gonna tell me why you trying to detain me?
I told you, you have warrants out for your arrest.
I shouldn't.
Now that you're in cuffs, I can tell you have warrants out for possession of marijuana, disorderly conduct.
I don't. All that was dissolved. All that was good. And I ain't smoking mud. What you talking about? You lying. You lying.
Okay. Anything else you need to know about? Poke me, stick me, hurt me? You want to switch sides? Yeah.
During a search, police found several pills suspected to be oxycodone in her pocket.
On you.
You, stop talking to me.
Go ahead and put it in the car.
What you talking about? Stop talking to me.
All units stand by for general announcement. All units be advised southeast and southwest will be passing the remainder. Southeast and southwest will be passing the remainder.
Can you stay with these two bills real quick? Yeah. Those came out of her pocket. Right on. Yeah. Howdy, y'all. Okay, now I will be willing to talk to you. It's okay.
Cause I don't really know. I don't want to talk, fam. You just look like you was gonna shoot me. You feel what I'm saying?
No, because we're getting this side up here.
Bro. That's my sister, bro. That's
okay.
female. I don't care, bro.
Well, I gave her the opportunity to step out.
Everybody raised different, bro. Everybody raised different. Y'all.
And I gave her the opportunity. I gave her the opportunity to not do this in front of the kids. Okay, you're free to go. Have a good one.
Your big ass. Your wife know you doing girls, females like this? Big ass motherfucker. Too big to be doing all that.
78636, repeating 786.
Can you go ahead on the face? Did I really? Where? Oh, no, that was cut from earlier. Oh, that was fun. Okay. Yeah, I've been taking.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's ibuprofen 800 and 200 right there. Okay.
The suspect began to vandalize and forced the police to frame him.
I hate y'all, motherfucker.
No.
If you start on it, I'm gonna tie your feet. You better knock it off.
You, I hate y'all, motherfucker. You.
I'll tell you what, I don't need her anymore. Can we just get her off to LCJ?
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Yeah.
We'll start cleaning this mess up. Excuse me.
Let's go.
This is what it is. I'm going to be transporting the 1015.
Can you copy a starting knowledge?
I see all y'all in court. I need all y'all names. My mama don't get up there. Make sure I get your name. I want your name and the mother fat ass bitches. I want all their names. It only took one of y'all to get me out the car. One, not three. I hope y'all cam badges, and I hope y'all cam badges was on. I hope all them cameras was on.
Oh wait, hold on. This one might be Oxy.
What's up?
This one might be Oxy, because look, it's IP 204. Yeah, it's showing it.
Is it Oxy?
Yeah.
Okay, it came right out of her right pocket.
Y'all couldn't even tell me what I was getting out the car for. We don't trust y'all. Y'all killers. We don't trust y'all.
Okay. All right, sounds good. I'll do it in a second.
Supposed to protect and serve. Y'all don't protect but your and each other.
Constantly cursing and insulting the police is the only thing she can do now.
Ma'am.
Hi.
Look, I'm sorry that all had to happen, but
Okay.
I told her I did not want to do that in front of the kids.
Yeah.
She had warrants out for arrest. She has to go to jail.
Okay.
That's the bottom line, okay?
Okay.
I gave her plenty of opportunity to step out. She didn't want to. It's dangerous for anybody to be arguing while she's in control of that car.
Because you got a gun on you. You got a taser. A baton. All that make you tough, huh? That make you so tough. You could take all that off. You feel like you got to save them, motherfucker? Because you got all that shit on? Take it off. Go in the hood and take it off. Dirty cops. Dirty cops. Dirty.
Then she was charged with resisting without violence and possession of legend drug without prescription. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. That car has hit everything except the lottery. You don't hate cops. What you hate is personal responsibility. Refuses to get out of the car, then wonders why they needed to pull her out of the car. It's so cringe and embarrassing. That's messy. So what about the third case?
We live in Boynton. She was going to a job interview because her mom works over here. There's her hand. Yes,
Yeah.
we're gonna be.
On October 3rd, 2023, officers were dispatched to a residence following reports of a domestic battery incident involving a heated altercation between two individuals.
How can I help you? On my way to an interview.
You have an interview? Is that what you said? Did you call us? So what's the reason that you called?
Expired and
A domestic violence. We got into an altercation. Around the corner right here.
You and who? You and who?
My ex.
Your
Yeah.
who is now gone.
Oh, she's here.
Okay. Where is she?
White Toyota Yaris.
Where is it?
It was just parked over here.
Okay, what happened?
We was on the way to get my papers from my mom for my interview, my resume and my certificate. But I seen this morning, normally when it's not about her, she does little things. But the morning I seen, she wasn't making like an effort to help me. So I was just like, you know what? Okay, well, you can stay home and I'll go handle what I need to handle. She was like, she had to get the rent. So instead of staying home, she was like, I'm gonna come. So I was on the phone talking to my best friend about the situation. So she felt some type of way because I was talking about her on the phone. Get in the car, almost here. We're still going back and forth. Mind you, in the car, she's messing with the car thing, driving crazy, trying to get keys from me, everything.
She's driving.
She's driving.
You're in the passenger.
I had the keys. We have two separate keys. A pink set is hers. The blue set is mine. So it's her car, but my house keys on there. My father's on there from my old job. So we're on the way here, and she pushed me. So I said, push me in the car. Push me again, I'm gonna hit you back. Mind you, she broke my hand before.
The police continued to question the remaining person. Deja admitted everything.
What happened?
I need my, if she want to call you, I need my.
Can I open this the rest of the way so I can talk to you?
Yes.
What happened?
I just need my keys and my ID and I'll go.
You need your keys?
Yes, and my ID and I can go.
Did anything else happen?
No, I don't want to talk about it. I don't think
Some kind of argument?
Yes, we got in an argument, but it's not that deep to the point where I felt like we should. I just want my keys in my wallet so I can go.
You just want your keys in your wallet?
I want my keys and my ID so I can go. That's all I want.
She has your ID?
I want my keys and my ID so I can go.
Who has your ID? What's your name?
My name is
Deja?
Yes.
Alright, Deja. Who has your keys in your wallet? How are you? Hey, how you doing? What's going on, Deja?
I just want my partner to come out with my stuff, and I don't feel like all of this is I don't feel like any of this is necessary.
That's your daughter? Yeah. Okay.
What's going on?
They just called me. I work for the city around the corner.
They
And
called
my
you?
daughter, no, she called me about a dispute they're having. What are you trying to get from Yolanda? Your keys and what? Okay, let me get that from her.
Can we conference for a second?
What happened here?
Huh?
I don't want to talk about it. We got into an argument. And that's it.
You got into an argument and what happened? Is this car in your name?
Yes.
It's your car? Alright. You said y'all got into an argument. What happened after the argument?
We got into an argument. I really don't want to talk about it.
Listen, we were called here and we have a job to do. I just want to understand the basic. You don't have to tell me the detail of what the argument was about because that's your privacy. I understand that.
Deja just wanted some things to leave, but things turned out differently.
Okay, the honest truth is we did get into a little fight and I started it.
And what do you mean when you say you started it?
I pushed her, so I did. And I do apologize for that. But she got my keys and got my wallet and got my ID. So
when you say you pushed her, where did you push her?
On her shoulder.
How did you push her? And why did you push her?
So you said you were not going into details and stuff. I don't want to go into those are not that's uncomfortable. It was just stuff that was sensitive to me, and she was being harsh, and I had pushed her.
No, I mean, no, I didn't mean that the details of what the argument was about. I'm saying, like, did she get in your face, or what were some other reasons why would you need to put her like, push her away from you?
Because she just started getting ruder with her comments and stuff and everything. So it was just, I got mad.
You got mad?
I was just upset at her at the time. Okay. I just want my key. I just want my house keys and stuff so I can go. No, I want my apartment key so I can go.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 second. Okay.
Deja was taken into custody, panicking and struggling to grasp the reality of her arrest.
Neither one of them want to go forward any charges or anything.
I'm not pressing charges on her.
That's the thing, is it doesn't matter. The state of Florida does not require a prosecuting victim. The state will prosecute without your cooperation or her cooperation.
On the way to the interview.
You know? You called. She didn't call. You called.
What's your name?
You also said that you punched her.
Lieutenant Lavinia and speak with him.
Hell, it's Morgado.
Hey, can you step out from me, please? Alright, turn around for me. You're handcuffing me? Yes,
Yeah.
You're gonna be going to jail for battery.
Are you serious?
Hey, can you use yours? Oh, yeah, mine is too.
No.
Hold on.
You got it?
Yeah. Put your hands together, it's a little bit more comfortable.
Wait, are you serious? I don't have anything. No.
Huh?
I don't have anything like on here. Whatever. Let's go.
What is it?
Relax, relax, relax. I'm gonna explain to you what's gonna happen.
Okay, let's walk to my car over there, okay?
Deja feared having a criminal record, yet she never considered the consequences before creating this chaos.
I'm gonna explain it to you. Just give me 1 second. Is your first time being arrested?
Yes.
Okay, Deja, take a deep breath. Deja, can you take a deep breath for me, please? 4 seconds, 1.
How many property values?
2's gonna have a black female, 10, 15, 31 deep. Listen to me, Deja. Listen. Can I explain to you what's gonna happen? Listen. You're gonna go to, right now you're gonna go to jail, right? You're gonna see the judge. It's your first time being arrested, okay? This is because it's purely domestic between you and your partner, okay? She didn't, regardless if she wanted to press charges or not, we still have a job to do. You understand me? When you people argue, when couples argue, you keep your hands to yourself. You understand? You clearly told me you guys were arguing, you pushed her. I can't take it out. They're gonna have to cut it at the jail. Okay? So listen, you talk to the judge. It's your first time. So you'll be given an attorney and all of that go through the process. They'll explain everything to you.
No.
Okay? Do you have a phone number of somebody we can call and let them know your car's here?
I don't have any family in Florida.
Where are you from?
I'm from Maryland. Well, I moved here a few years ago.
Do you have your cell phone in the car?
My cell phone.
Your cell phone and your wallet's in the car.
All right, we'll
What color
bring
is your
that with
wallet?
you.
What color is your wallet?
Black.
Black. All right, so take care of it.
The police spoke with Deja's mother, detailing the incident and updating her about the suspect.
Why you have on gloves? Because I had to search her. I'll write the number down because I gotta get the stuff. Ma'am?
Yes.
Your daughter is Deja?
Yes.
Okay, she's already in the police car. I'm gonna try to get her wallet and everything. I can write you.
Being locked up for me.
She's being locked up for domestic battery. That Deja's mom?
Okay, Lord Jesus, not her. That child is like, that's my perfect child.
Deja, I'm gonna grab your mom. Your mom called. I'm gonna grab her.
Oh my God.
She's okay. Listen.
Oh no, my mom.
She's She's not mad at you. She's concerned for you. She's not mad at you. Listen. Well, she doesn't sound like she's mad at you. She's concerned for you. Do you know her phone number by heart? Yeah. Okay, so she if you're able to make a phone call when you get there, she wants you to call her. Oh my God. All right?
Deja was arrested and charged with domestic violence. However, due to their history of conflict, police recognized the toxic nature of their relationship and advised them to keep their distance. Considering the ridiculous circumstances, the following comments emerged after the video was released and are very significant. The mom thinks she is above the law. Please stop calling your mothers to the scene to handle your foolishness, especially when you're supposedly grown yourself. These abusive rainbow relationships are a lot more than we know.
Don't kick the window. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am. So
turn around.
From a failed drug deal to a pepper spray party.
So what does he look like? He looks like your toe?
To a heavily intoxicated girl completely losing her grip on reality.
Hey, listen. Here's what's gonna happen, okay?
And a Karen convinced she has the power to dictate the fate of an entire flight.
Not walking behind me, period.
Ma'am,
I don't trust you. I don't trust. Yes, please record. Thank you.
These intense encounters prove that one reckless moment can change everything. Watch as super entitled psycho Karen get pepper sprayed after drug deal gone wrong.
Go ahead and buckle her in on that side.
Why am I being arrested?
Well, right now, I told you, stop.
On January 2nd, 2025, an officer with the St. Petersburg Police Department was on patrol when he witnessed a drug deal and began chasing.
Her, not me.
Put your hands together. Drop everything. Drop it. Drop everything in your hand.
Her.
Put your hands together like you're praying. Clasp your fingers together.
Yes.
You alright?
Her. Get her.
I'm not touching your brother. You're making things worse. Put them together.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get away from here. Go around the other way, bro. You go around that way.
Golly.
You're staying. She's staying. You move or you're getting locked up.
Why?
You got nothing to do with it.
Why are you?
Man, get out of here. You're gonna get arrested.
Why is my brother being arrested?
You're gonna get arrested. He's not being arrested.
Eleanor started to obstruct and not comply. She got what she deserved.
Thank you. She got me off. I don't even know her.
Move.
Thank you.
So what now?
Man, I do not know her.
Hold on. What you need me to do with her?
She's being detained for
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back now. Put the cigarette down. Hands behind your back. Put it down.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you're being detained. Put it down. Just drop it to the ground. Stop.
The drug deal with that truck.
Stop.
That guy, I don't know him, but I mean, he did a push with that. That's stuff is mine?
You're being detained.
The keys are mine, I just don't want to get no shit.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, put her in the back of your car. Make sure you search her out.
Yeah.
She's probably holding some kind of dope.
No, I don't have nothing.
Just I don't.
So what the hell was your problem, dude?
I was going there. He said, "Police run." I said, "What are you talking about?" And I just came down here to get away from them because I don't
You're
know
all
them.
hunkered down here,
Not
right?
with my bike.
The truck pulled up. When I came by, you were going to the truck, talking to someone in the window, etc. Then when I turned up, you ran. You fell on the stairs.
He said, "Leave," and I said,
Listen,
"Go."
you
Sir, I
fell
don't
on the
live
stairs
down
in
here.
your scooter.
I don't live down here.
You fell down the
Yes,
stairs
sir,
on
I
your
did.
scooter.
Yes, sir.
Right? She's trying to put shit in your pocket or take shit out of your pocket.
Thank you, and I don't know her.
Right? You're making all these furtive
'Cause
movements.
she gave me-
You're trying to dump it. I saw you trying to make sure you search your good.
She gave me this, and I didn't know what it
She was making all these. You're making all these furtive
and I
movements like you're
don't
trying
know
to hide
her.
shit.
I don't even know her. She says, "Please help me." I don't know what to do.
While questioning the man, the police noticed some unusual behavior from the woman.
Listen, you're being detained right now.
You were going to the
Stop
truck,
moving.
talking to someone in the window, etc. Then when I
Stop.
turned up, you ran. Fell on the stairs.
He said, "Leave." And I
Why
said, "Go."
Ma'am, stop moving. I'm not
We're
going
gonna
to.
investigate and
Fell on the stairs on your scooter.
You're being detained. Yes, we're doing an investigation right now. Hey, listen.
I don't know her.
Listen. Just walk this way. I'll tell you first. Can you hold her so I can put on gloves? Because she keeps moving around, being very fidgety. Thank you.
Relax. 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 Relax.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stab me, or harm me?
No. That's my idea. That's my idea.
Relax. Relax.
Don't move. You
Yes,
understand?
no, absolutely. I'm not wanted. I have no warrants. I work for a living. I've been out of prison for over a year now. I'm doing well.
Yeah, and guess what? When I told you to stop moving and stuff, all you did was move.
Because of her. And she's f***ing, yes. Had nothing to do with, yeah. I just don't
She's going to have NDL, Mike.
I don't want to lose my life. None of that stuff. I'll work for you guys. I don't care. I don't want to get in no trouble.
When the police searched the woman, they discovered some strange items.
Am I being arrested? There's nothing that would poke you, right? What am I being sensitive?
Ma'am, I need you to stop moving. I don't need your assistance. I got it.
Please. Why am I being detained? Do you want the dope theory? You want me to tell you?
Were you on dope?
No.
Like, have you taken anything today?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
You need to know? Can I be free?
Would you tell me what you bought?
I didn't buy anything.
What did you take today?
Okay, what they bought.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat. We'll talk in a second, okay?
Have a seat. I'm going to put you in there.
That's...
You're going to sit in there or I'm going to put you in there?
Why
So
am I in there, ma'am?
Have a seat. I don't see you catch another charge. If you're even going to get a charge.
Where'd you get the crack from?
Her and that dude. I don't know them. That's why he said leave. I just left. I don't know them. Is there any way I can work with somebody, turn somebody in, I don't want to go to jail. Anything I can do to turn somebody in, I will. Because I didn't even
Oh, you made
that.
this really difficult, dude.
I didn't mean she's just brother. I'm not her brother. I don't even know her like that.
The man remained calm and cooperative while the woman was defiant and refused to comply.
Put your foot in the car. Buckle her in. Put your foot in the car, ma'am. In the car. No. No. In the car, ma'am. So you're a dope dealer. Put your foot in the car. You're going for a dope dealer. Timothy. Go ahead and buckle her in on that side. Why am I being arrested? Well, right now, I told you, stop. Stop.
Stop. Come down.
You're not going to die today. Put your foot in the car. Why am I being arrested? You're going for obstruction. I have nothing wrong. I got it. I have no drugs on me.
Stop.
I have money.
Stop.
Well, you don't want to speak with us, and now you want to fight and argue. Call the judge.
Calm down.
No.
Calm down.
Yeah.
Stop.
It's going to be very uncomfortable.
I've been on camera all day. They've been selling drugs.
But you see how you're acting? That's not helping anything.
No.
Sit up.
They've been.
I'm not going to talk to you unless you sit up. I'm not going to talk to you unless you sit. Oh, you just did that to yourself.
Can you help me?
You going to sit up and act right?
Ma'am,
You sit up and act right. I'm telling you right now. Don't kick the window. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am. So
Turn around the right way. You know how to sit properly. Turn around the right way in the vehicle.
Ma'am, I
want to speak with you.
All day. Okay.
So just, I need you to calm down. Woosa. Give me a woosa. Woosa. Okay.
Woosa.
And tell me what happened, love.
Eleanor starts talking about a man named M, whom she believes to be a drug dealer.
Right.
Here.
He looks like your toe?
No. I'm showing you.
Yes.
Okay, so I was out here like 4 days ago. He's selling. I came.
What does he look like, love?
Black.
A black man named Mc.
Well, he's family.
Okay.
He sells drugs over there. You all arrested me. I went over to there. I bought beer, but
Who's us all? Like other officers did?
no.
Oh. Today.
No. So.
Finish up. So Mikhail, what he does?
He ran off. Y'all pulled up.
Okay.
This is a lady, the old lady. She's sitting over there, like.
Okay.
She's not f***ing. She's not dead. She is. I don't care. I don't care if I die. So he said.
Why are you gonna die? Why do you keep saying that?
Because I will. They're bad men. So.
Oh, you mean when you? Well.
The guy ran off that way.
Yes, ma'am.
When you arrested me. Dope dealers over there.
Okay.
You know that.
I know I'm talking to you right now, okay? But that's what I need you to do for me, okay? I need you to sit right while my officers
My
figure
dad
out.
is picking me up.
Okay, but I need you to
Get
sit
me.
right. Because if you're not going to sit right and just wait for them to finish doing what they're
Doc.
doing, then you're
Doc.
going to go straight to jail.
Doc is there.
Okay? So I need you to wait right there, all right? Sit right. Thank you.
She started to go crazy and claimed that the police had no right to arrest her.
I'm going to talk. Whenever you let me talk, I'll let you talk.
You have no right to detain me.
Can I tell you why?
Truck that's selling drugs, you have no right to detain me.
Can I talk
I've been
now?
on camera all fucking
Can I
day.
talk now?
I've been on camera. My dad is picking me up. It's on my car.
All right, you are arrested for obstruction.
You
Stop
have
banging.
my Fifth Amendment right. You have
You have a hobble? She got her cuffs on the front. She want a hobble or does she want to get sprayed? Which would she prefer?
I think it's gonna be both.
Okay.
No spray. No, okay.
I'm gonna give her one more chance. When she's done.
I don't think it's gonna happen.
All right.
But it's up to you.
782, your case number is 203. 203.
This is illegal.
Look, you are legally detained
Why am I
and
detained?
lawfully
I
being
don't
arrested
have to
for
deny it.
for obstruction.
For what?
You're first of all, you obstructed my officer.
No, call my dad. He's picking me up right now.
I'm not gonna call anyone because you are. When you start acting right and put your cuffs back where they belong, then I'll make a phone call.
That way, honey bun.
Guess what? We have someone arrested, but you are acting up. You're about to break the windows of this cruiser, and your cuffs are now in the front. So if you sit right, perhaps I'll make a phone call. But at the moment, you will have no phone call. Do I make myself clear?
Yeah.
Because you keep acting up when I asked you multiple times not to. And I don't play that.
Will you call my dad?
Sit there and I'll get my notepad. If you bang on that window one more time, your phone call's done. Do you understand me?
Police confirmed that Eleanor was arrested for obstruction, but she seems determined to add another felony to her record.
What's this?
I'll pay for
What's this? What's this? So you're breaking my police cruiser? What is this?
No, I'll fix it. If you let me.
What I want you to do, you see how you're sitting there and being nice? You're about to get a bunch more charges unless you sit there politely and quietly on your way to county for the one charge.
Why am I being arrested?
You are being arrested not only for obstruction, but now for crim miss. Do you want more charges? Do you want me to call back your dad and tell him, you know, she's going to be there in a hot minute. Don't even bother coming to get her. Yes.
Yes?
Yes, that's what he said. He said, all right, I got her. Tell her I'll come get her. But if you remotely, damage this car again.
If I don't.
Do you? What did I say? What did I say?
Hear that?
No, because you know what? I did you a favor and I'm on a phone call and you do this to my car. So sit back.
If he doesn't talk to me now, I won't talk to you.
On the way to the county jail, Eleanor repeatedly harmed herself, forcing the police to use force to restrain her.
What's your right?
You gotta stop. Okay, at one point she had the cuffs like this, like she was trying to choke herself, and then she started like taking. She can't pull anything, but it looks like she was.
Stop.
There's like a cord up there.
Dude, she has no right to detain me.
You're not detained, you're arrested. Put your foot in.
For what,
This is
man?
the last time.
No.
Trust me, because now I'm going to spray you. You're going to get sprayed. You're going to get sprayed. You want to get sprayed? Sprayed. Right. In the car. In the car. Stop.
Why am I being arrested?
Stop.
Why am
Relax. Spray. In the car. Come on. I didn't want to do that. We're good.
So that was fine? Okay.
In the end, Eleanor was charged with criminal mischief and resisting arrest with violence. Her actions resulted in damage to the squad car's door handles and camera. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. That woman was only 39 years old. Holy hell, drugs doubled her physical age. Ah, the addict just walked up and put crack in my sock thinking I was her brother routine. She was gonna get her fix and now withdraw in jail. But if you think this was the peak of drama, this next Karen takes chaos to a whole new level.
Why y'all can't be on my side? It's only white people on wrong side.
On July 24th, 2021, officers were dispatched following a request for assistance from EMS. A woman was causing a disturbance and refusing to cooperate.
Great. I thought it was our dude from earlier.
Just because she got in a taxi cab and he was asking him for money, he didn't want to just like pay for money while you guys here. So I have a witness. Because the taxi driver's like, he wants to get paid.
Her wallet's right there, but I didn't want to give her money. You'll be here to say.
Can we even do that? I don't even
I
know.
understand where he's coming from. She didn't keep it out of his taxi.
Nice.
Hey, can we pay the taxi guy with your money? You threw up in the back of his car.
Nod yes. Yes. That means yes?
So we can't pay the guy who gave you a ride.
Give us a nod. Like an up and down.
No, I'm sorry. We can tell him sorry, but he's got to get paid too. Sorry. Can we pay him?
Yeah, that works.
That works. How much is the fare?
Okay.
How much is the fare?
Well, I stopped it when all this happened. I stopped it at 12:50, but I'm
12:50.
Yeah.
All right.
The police offered to pay, but the girl refused, screamed, and caused a scene.
Right there.
We're paying the taxi cab right now, all right?
Give my money.
Not right now.
Give my money.
No.
Look at me.
Give my wallet.
Look at
Give
me.
my money.
You need us to follow you guys to the
How old
hospital?
are you? Okay. Act like it, okay?
I am.
No. You're
Give
not.
Can I talk to her?
No.
Can I talk to her? Ma'am? Ma'am?
No.
Ma'am?
No.
Ma'am?
No. Give my
Ma'am?
wallet.
Her wallet's right here. Her wallet's
Your wallet's right here.
on that.
Your wallet's right here.
Can you stop yelling about
Let me
ambulance,
count
please?
it. Let me count it.
Can you act 22, please? In the back
And
of my
I
ambulance? Then act like
It's
it.
money.
Do not yell at me.
It's money.
If you touch her, I'm going to charge you for it.
Why would I touch her?
How about this? How about
And
this?
why would you charge me and I'm under
Because that's
alcohol
assault on
fluid?
EMS.
I was having fun in the atmosphere. In
Well,
the
you passed out.
community.
You
Well, it's
passed
not
out behind an
very
I'm
enemy.
sorry, because
Okay.
I was by my own lonely. I'm
Hey.
sorry. That was a met a friend and
Look
it
at me.
happened to that. The gonna get
Just
you
stop. I
gonna
wouldn't
get that
even.
far.
Not even worth it at this point.
Lower your voice.
To
okay?
me, what
Lower
do
your
you
Sure you want to work here?
Lower
Yeah.
your voice.
Where?
Oh boy.
I got
Everybody, hey,
I like it.
Lower your
I
voice,
do.
okay? Lower your
But
voice. We're gonna
what?
act 22 in
That's
this
it.
ambulance, okay?
I'm an ambulance.
You're in an ambulance,
Or
so we're gonna. This is my house, okay?
Position.
This is my house, and we're gonna act how I want you to act in my ambulance, okay? Okay. Now lay back, count your money, and we're gonna move on.
What you gave him out my mother's wallet?
I didn't give him his wallet.
Nothing came out of your wallet.
Nothing. You asked them
Can I
to bring
talk
it
to you?
back.
Can I talk to you for a second? He wants $12 because he gave you a ride. Either you give him, count out $12, or I charge you with theft of service. It's up to you.
No, why would you charge me for that?
Because you got a service and you didn't pay for it, so that's theft of service. That's how that works.
Either the simple route, take the simple route, count out $12.
Matter of fact, I found out wanted or something like that. Or something.
It's very simple, $12.
No,
The girl grew aggressive, screaming for help and demanding sympathy as a woman.
I'll put out direction. I'll put out the address. I'll put out the address for
Listen,
the
here,
lift.
here, either goes like, ma'am, 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 hey, hello, hello, hey, hey, listen, here's how, here's what's gonna happen, okay? Either you're gonna, listen, either,
No, I need
either you're
direction.
gonna
I
pay,
need
either you're gonna pay the taxi, either you're gonna pay the taxi, or you're gonna get charged for it. You understand?
Okay,
do you understand? Yes or no? Yes or no?
I don't got time
Yes
for
or no?
because I don't have time for this.
Yes or no? Do you understand?
Straight from the hood. I don't have time
Do you understand you're going to be charged for it if you don't pay him?
You're going to be charged.
Exactly. $12?
No, I mean like.
Yes,
or by the court of law.
$12.
$12. That's all it is. It's $12. And then you'll get to sleeping off in the hotel.
Ooh, the fuck would be at the basement.
I was not. That's not what I said.
Shut the f up.
Ma'am, I need you to tone it down, all right?
Yeah, he need to shut the
up. This is exactly where I'm going. You know what stuff is that?
Okay, but we're gonna go to the hospital.
No, I'm good.
You're not.
I am. I'm on the alcohol fluent. I'm fine.
Right.
I'm paying the lift, and y'all gonna take me exactly where I'm going.
No,
I don't need to go to a hospital. That's a waste of money paying him.
First of all, if you don't stop yelling, that's exactly
I'm
where we're going.
good.
So stop yelling.
I'm good, cause I need you to be on my side as a woman. You need to help me out even though I'm under alcohol fluent. I'm straight. You need to help me the right away.
Talk to me like a human being.
Exactly, a human being. I'm under alcohol fluent, so you should know where I'm coming from.
Do not touch me one more time.
Let me go.
Do not touch me one more time.
Let me go. Let me
Hands
go.
up,
Please let me go. Because you're doing exactly the
She tried to call 911, but the police showed her that was a mistake.
I'm at.
I don't know.
Y'all being racist as a Let me call 911.
Okay, we are 911.
Y'all 411.
Look,
or 611.
okay, 401, that's information. So go ahead and call Georgia Information and see what they can tell you.
Doesn't matter. That I need to get to my destination. I already paid for cab.
The cab doesn't want to take you. The cab doesn't want to take you anymore.
I need y'all to take to my destination. Y'all stay here to make sure I pay the damn destination and not give. I'm going
Your
to my
destination was right here because this is where you
No,
passed
it's
out.
not.
This is where you passed out.
No, the I did not.
You did.
Hello, ma'am. I'm at. Where exactly am I?
EMS is on.
24 Bravo 1. Just be advised. You get a 911 call from this. She's trying to call 911.
You obviously know better than them. I'm out my race, man. These police being racist as I was out paying the lift on my ride, and they don't want to even take my right away. And I told them the address where I'm laying my head at the moment. Because my mama had an anniversary. I'm not stupid at all. I'm actually alert what's going on. I don't need you to call me a cab service.
All right, well.
Have your own mind instead of right. How about that? Where is your mind?
Can you get out of my
Where is your mind?
at least so I can
You have 3 seconds to get
Where
out
is
or
your
I'm arresting
mind?
you. I'm going to
What
arrest
are you arresting me for?
Disorderly conduct.
You got 3
Disorderly
seconds.
conduct and theft of services.
What? One more time?
Do not touch me. If you
Why
touch
am
me,
I
you will
touching
get a
you?
charge.
Why am I touching you?
Get out of my face. All right.
Y'all are the police, not
You're
me.
arrested.
You can't get Thomas. You know what I'm wrong.
No, what? Y'all. Sorry,
Lay on your
I gotta
stomach.
pee. I gotta pee.
Lay on your stomach.
Chill.
Lay on your stomach now.
Why would you take me to jail and I'm okay? Y'all supposed to help me, not send me to jail. What is wrong with y'all? I'm okay. My mama on the anniversary weekend. I'm looking safe.
Well,
I'm not going arrested.
Yep, you're under arrest.
What is wrong with y'all?
She's double locked.
What did I do? I didn't even touch you. When did y'all gonna be on my side? You put me on my side.
Did you ever pay the tag? You did pay the taxi? Perfect.
You didn't at all. Get my pocket.
Let go. Let go.
Let go of him now. Let go.
The girl continued to argue, claiming she did not deserve to be arrested.
I don't want to be like that. Stop.
Pull your car up. Just pull your car up.
This is crucial like a and I already got 2 charges on me.
Well, you're about to get another one.
No, don't do that. I'm trying to be alert. I don't want to be
good.
stranded out here on my own. That's the only true facts.
No, you're going to jail now.
Why y'all can't be on my side? It's only white people around, so of course they don't understand. How do you understand when you try to leave me on my loading and I'm under alcohol fluent?
You didn't want to go to the hospital with me. I tried to.
Why would I go to the hospital?
Because that's what happened. You were passed out the back of it.
That's my mother credit on anything else.
I got called for your.
Why would I do that? That's stupid.
I was here to help you, and you didn't.
I'm trying to get on the phone to the police so they can help me, and y'all can get out my way.
You yelled at me.
When y'all get out my way, because I passed out, the police gonna call the ambulance, and they gonna call y'all. So y'all, chill. You got my outfit, so chill out. Chill out, bro. This shit, I don't even know what mama to back me up, anything. This shit
Hey,
is doing the
Lovelace,
most.
a little help, please.
Doing the most. What you need help on? Please doing the most.
This leg, particular.
Out of here.
Pull her. Just pull her. Pull her. Pull her.
You said something. Oh, you want to sit in the job for a shit? I don't even try that shit. And I'm trying to understand. I need help. The you doing the most for? I know I'm not getting vehicle. Because I don't deserve to be in the
Y'all watch that, right?
I saw it. Put it on
Obstruction.
Cal. Please put it on Cal. Please
Obstruction.
put it on Cal. I'm already on the alcohol fluid. I don't need to be going through the most. The trying to arrest me for what?
Disorderly conduct and obstruction.
I'm out on my own till Sunday. What are you talking about? I don't deserve this.
Hey, y'all check her because she fell.
I got the guy going on.
Let me look at your face. I'm not gonna touch you. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you. I am.
Are you?
I've been here the whole time trying to help you.
Are you? No, it's not.
Do you want me to look at you or not?
No, it's not. Cause I tell you, it's not where I need to be. I'm fine. Cause I didn't follow my face.
If you don't want me to look at you, I'm offering to look at you.
I'm fine. Cause I didn't follow my face.
Okay.
She keeps escalating things but claims she can't go to jail.
You know, I'm okay. I don't need to be arrested.
But listen, kind of crossed the line a couple times.
I didn't touch him. Everything. He said, if you touch me, I'll go to jail. I did not touch him. See, out your body, you'll be the same way.
All right, I need you to have a seat for me, okay? Come sit down. Come sit down so I can finish
No,
talking.
because when you don't have nobody on your side, you feel the same exact same way. All of them sitting on my side, and I'm okay.
Sit down. Sit down.
I'm just a little tipsy. When you be that little tipsy out your body's been through a lot of stress, man, and you trying to fight stuff, you will oversip.
Things happen. Right now, you're in our custody, which means you're in our care. Okay.
I can't be in no more trouble. I can't be in nothing. This was the least I was trying to do.
We've crossed some lines, and now you're being charged.
Oh, man.
No, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Oh, my God.
Miss Gamble, look.
What caused this confusion?
Miss Gamble. Miss Gamble, stop. How old are you? Come on, come on, come on, sit down, sit down, sit down. Now, put your feet down.
I can't call no more driver. I'm speaking the true facts about what I did, and I didn't touch him, and I don't have no rules to be arrested. So if you're an officer,
Stop.
You forcing me.
Sit down. You're right.
Stop.
Sit down.
Stop, because I didn't even touch you.
Sit down.
You can't arrest me for nothing.
Sit down. Enough's enough.
Crazy, boy. I ain't even got no right in my own where I was born.
Watch it.
My own country. My own universe.
Watch your foot.
No, because it's not right. What if the woman, it don't matter if you white, black, or Asian. Y'all supposed to know the right. Y'all, this nigga locked me up for nothing. I don't belong in a prison. I don't belong in jail cell. I don't belong in none of that. I didn't do nothing. I didn't.
She claimed discrimination, argued with staff and police, and was eventually detained.
I'm awoke now, and I'm crying all the darkness out of me. You definitely made me awoke because you know you was wrong for doing that. It was not even no harm, and I didn't even touch you.
I didn't say you did.
So why am I in the position of they was going to arrest me?
Ma'am, can I ask you a quick question?
Ma'am, you were in a hospital.
Okay, so where I want you to sit down.
Do not come at me.
Yeah, exactly. Don't come at me. Don't touch me.
You are yelling.
Don't put your hands on me. I already been seeing you, so you don't have the right to touch me.
Sit down.
Take your hands off me. I need you to go back that way. We leaving. He said we leaving.
I got you.
I gotta pee. Come on, sir, please. I am black. This is some different colors for you. You gotta treat me like that.
Sit down and we'll take you.
No, I gotta pee.
You'll get another charge.
I got charged for peeing.
Yeah.
Hey, it doesn't matter. You want to pee myself?
No, we don't want you to. Go there.
To the restroom. Oh, okay. Go for it.
Appreciate it.
Cuffs stay on. Good luck. Yep.
I'm not kicking you. You try to make an argument. That's how we got into the first time. You try to make a scene. I'm like doing something. I'm like, my jaw's showing. Y'all need to show some respect. Stop.
Come on.
My jaw's showing. Stop.
You want another charge?
Come
My
on.
jaw is showing.
Okay, another charge.
21 bucks. She kicked
Oh
me
my
twice.
God. No, the f I did not. Y'all ain't got no respect for nobody. Like, that shit's fucked up right. Y'all ain't got no respect. That's reckless. Like, y'all, I am a female. I'm 22. I'm younger than like, y'all need to show some respect.
The woman was charged with public intoxication, obstruction, and disorderly conduct after causing a disturbance, refusing to cooperate with authorities, and interfering with police efforts to de-escalate the situation. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. If alcohol changes your personality in an aggressive and abusive way, then you shouldn't ever drink again. She should also be charged with misuse of 911. Loved how the paramedic mouthed off to the suspect and told her, "You're going to behave in my ambulance." That's messy. So what about the third case?
I don't check. Yes, please record. Thank you.
I'll give you this.
My Instagram is...
On July 10th, 2022, at Miami International Airport, a woman tried to board a Spirit flight to Detroit 45 minutes after it was ready for takeoff. Denied entry, she attempted to sneak onto the plane.
I'm sorry, I just walk in, like you guys. I walk in with you guys. For what I understood, I just rushed in. The agent went to close the door, and there was one that was sitting on the flight and was refusing even to move. Philippe, is Stephanie inside?
They stepped out already?
I was doing G14. She's inside. She's inside? Inside the plane. Let me just go in, because there was one that was refusing getting out.
Let the supervisor go and let him know.
But we have to listen because it's trespass after warning.
And if not, we have to detain everybody?
Everybody. First we start with the person in front of us. First we start with the person in front.
The police ordered her to leave. She repeatedly protested and was confident she would win a lawsuit.
Oh, thank you.
She's going to go in front. Who's the person? She's going to...
Way in the back on the left. Thank you.
Right now, I can press charges for you trespassing.
I'm not trespassing. I have a
I just letting you know right now, the police officers are here. We're going to ask you to voluntarily walk out of the plane. If not, we're going to ask everybody. We're going to ask. I understand, but you were not bored when we closed the door. You went through the door when there was no agent at the moment. Ma'am. So
let's talk to you outside. Let's come outside.
Right now,
yeah.
If you don't get out right now,
okay, hold on.
Let me get everybody out.
Okay, we'll get everybody out. I board like everybody else, and I pay for my ticket.
All right, let's go to the jet bridge so we can talk.
What do you mean? No,
come over here.
To talk about.
All right.
I'm going home like everybody else.
Let's wait outside.
If I don't go home, nobody go home.
Yes, cool. Okay. All right.
I never did nothing. Like what? I paid for my ticket like everybody else.
Ma'am, we need to talk to you. Let's go outside.
No, I don't have to talk to y'all.
Okay, you're gonna make it worse.
Y'all can send me a paper in the mail.
Okay?
Y'all can literally send me something in the mail. Whatever. I paid for a ticket. I paid for a ticket like everybody else.
Let's go. Everybody has to do the plane.
After me. It's people that got on the plane after me.
Then the plane.
There's people that got on after me.
Stay here with everybody else. They're going to put charges against you for trespassing. So
and guess what? I'm going to beat the case because I'm not trespassing. Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, we're going to have to decline.
After multiple refusals to comply, all passengers had to disembark to resolve the issue.
My name is. You should know if I was trespassing. And wait in the boarding area. Ask the lady on the flight.
Can I say something to you?
There's nothing to say.
Will you listen to what I have to say now? Will you listen what I have to say?
Stand over here.
Make sure you get your belongings and make sure you have your boarding pass in your hands while we're in everybody. Okay, from here we will do this as soon as possible. Correct?
Let's go.
I apologize for the delay and I apologize for the...
Well, y'all come from that fast.
What's that?
Y'all come from that fast.
We're around. There's a lot of people here. You're gonna have to deboard.
Get your ass off the plane.
Ma'am, don't instigate her, please. Guys, don't instigate her, because then we got to deal with her.
They never refused me. I was already on the plane.
They're refusing you now.
Now, after the fact, no. But that's after the fact. You can't do that after the fact. So, no. Everybody going. We all going home late. Oh, well. No, I can't. Because they should have just took off.
Let's go. Let's do it fast. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's move.
My boarding pass is the same flight as everybody else. What do you mean? The fuck? That's dumb as f. They just want to have an attitude because they're miserable. They're miserable with their life. There's nothing for you to say. What is there for you to say? Like I said, y'all want to make my life hard, make everybody else's life hard.
No, not at all.
I want to go home. I don't even live here. That's weird as f. Y'all weird.
The girl finally agreed to leave the plane, but insisted the police follow her demands.
Wait till everybody get off. New whole plane. It's cool. I already sent my dad the information. Yeah, everybody getting off. Y'all too. You can go.
Let's go. You go in front of me.
And she gonna go behind me. And she's going behind me. No, that's mine.
All right.
Clearly.
All right, let's go.
You're not going behind me, though.
Ma'am, let's go.
You can go, and I will go behind you.
Go ahead.
You're not walking behind me, period.
Ma'am, let's
I don't
go.
trust you. I don't trust. Yes, please record. Thank you.
I gave you this.
My Instagram is. So send it to me, so I can send it to my daddy. That's your only bag. Because they're definitely not walking behind me. Yeah, make sure y'all Instagram, Skype. Send me the videos so I can send it to my dad. They already have my ID. I got on the plane.
We need your ID.
You don't need my ID. That's okay. You get on the plane like everybody else. That's illegal.
I'm giving you a direct order to walk over there. Okay?
Don't make it worse.
They're making it worse for them. That's illegal. I didn't do shit. I have a ticket like everybody else.
Everybody here is out.
And I have a ticket like everybody else. What do you mean? Fuck. And then y'all grabbing me on your rep. For what?
We're not gonna argue.
Can somebody record this? Can somebody record this? What are you doing? You not stop. What is you doing? Legal as fuck. Illegal as fuck. It is. Y'all not necessary. What the hell? I have a ticket for this flight. And y'all trying to take me off the flight.
The police informed her that her ticket was no longer valid, and she took things to the extreme.
What do you mean it's not valid?
Because you're going to jail.
But everybody else is not.
I'm not gonna. All right, we're gonna have to.
Hold on, let's
How?
relax. We're gonna take your property.
I'm relaxed.
We're
You're
gonna take
grabbing
your
me.
property. You're not grabbing your property.
I'm relaxed. You're grabbing me. What do you mean?
Relax.
Because why is he grabbing me and I'm relaxed? Like I said, he grabbing me. It's illegal as those cool because I don't mind suing nobody. I don't mind suing Miami police. That's why he's shaking his head. He over y'all. He's shaking his head. And I'm on camera at the airport. This illegal as I have a ticket. And y'all mad because I have literally the plate got stopped because I have a ticket. No, my stuff needs to come.
I'll get you, what do you need?
She goes to jail for that.
Once she refused to get off the airplane, that's trespassing.
Give me the info.
I will.
Downstairs. 269 7423. Text my dad and tell him. See, look at him. That drag, now they want to drag. 269 274.
No, over here. Door 19. You can exit out. Just exit out. Exit out.
The girl was taken out and kept screaming like she did nothing wrong.
Right there.
Yeah, I know. No, that's illegal. I just went through TSA. Listen, stay right there.
Stay right there.
Trying to beat me. Hey, they're trying to beat me. 269. It's not even in my pocket. Miami police. Y'all get sued. Still, y'all not gonna. But you should have. Why y'all didn't have the body cameras on? Why y'all didn't have body cameras on? Then y'all gonna suffocate me in a car.
nobody say nothing.
This way.
You don't have to grab the fucking.
Yes, I will grab this stuff. Because you're under arrest.
The woman was arrested for disorderly conduct and aircraft destruction, receiving probation. She admitted fault, but blamed rude staff. 2 years earlier, she was arrested for assaulting a fast food worker. Considering ridiculous circumstances, the following comments emerged after the video was released and are very significant. She's the exact kind of person that would hide a zombie bite from the group. If I don't go home, nobody go home. What a disgrace. A perfect example of a totally narcissistic person that thinks the world revolves only around her.
You gotta wait till everybody get off. New Hope Lane. It's cool. I already sent my dad the information. Yeah, everybody getting off. Y'all too.
Let's go. You go in front of me.
And she gonna go behind me. And she's going behind me. No, that's mine, clearly.
All right, let's go.
You're not going behind me, though.
Ma'am, let's go.
You can go, and I will go behind you.
Go ahead.
You're not walking behind me, period.
Ma'am, let's go.
I don't trust you. I don't trust. Yes, please record. Thank you.
I gave you this.
My Instagram is. So send it to me, so I can send it to my daddy. That's your only bag. Because they're definitely not walking behind me. Yeah, make sure y'all Instagram, Skype. Send me a video so I can send it to my dad. They already have my ID. I got on the plane.
We need your ID.
You don't need my ID. That's okay. You get on the plane like everybody else. That's illegal.
And I'm giving you a direct order to walk over there. Okay?
Don't make it worse.
They're making it worse for them. That's illegal. I didn't do shit. I have a ticket like everybody else.
Everybody here is out.
And I have a ticket like everybody else. What do you mean? Fuck. And they got grabbing on the rest. For what though?
We're not going to argue.
Can somebody record this? Can somebody record this? What are you doing?
Let go.
You cannot stop. What is you doing? Legal as fuck.
It's not necessary.
It is. Y'all not necessary. What the hell? I have a ticket for this flight, and y'all trying to take me off the flight.
It's no longer.
The police informed her that her ticket was no longer valid, and she took things to the extreme.
What do you mean it's not valid?
Because you're going to jail.
But everybody else is valid.
I'm not going to. All right, we're going to have to.
Yeah, hold on. Let's
How?
relax. We're going to take your property.
I'm relaxed.
We're
You're
gonna take
grabbing
your
me.
property. You're not grabbing your property.
I'm relaxed. You're grabbing me. What do you mean?
Relax.
Because why is he grabbing me and I'm relaxed? Like I said, he grabbing me. It's illegal as f***. That's cool because I don't mind suing nobody. I don't mind suing Miami police. That's why he's shaking his head. He over y'all. He's shaking his head. And I'm on camera at the airport. This illegal as f***. I have a ticket. And y'all mad because I have literally the plate got stopped because I have a ticket. No, my
I'll get
stuff
you.
needs to come.
I'll get you. What do you need?
She goes to jail
for once you refuse to get off the airplane, that's trespassing.
Give me the info.
I will.
Upstairs. 269 74 231. Text my dad and tell him. See, look at him. They drag. Now they want to drag. 269 274.
No, over here. Door 19. You can exit out. Just exit out. Exit out.
With a regular. What the fuck? Where that is? The fuck? The fuck? Make sure y'all
Right there.
Miami in your life. Make sure y'all already went through security. Yeah, I know. Turn around. No, that's illegal. I just went through TSA. Listen, stay right there.
Stay right there.
Trying to beat me. Hey, they're trying to beat me. 269. It's not even shit in my pocket. Miami police. should have. Why y'all didn't have the body cameras on? Why?
One thing's for sure, when chaos collides with the law, it never ends well for them. What do you think about these cases? Drop a comment below, hit like if you want more, and subscribe to Law Files to stay updated on wild encounters like these.